Hi guys, welcome back on the channel. VST here, Wonderland Tech. Yeah, that's kind of a start. Weird intro. Anyway, forget about this. We finally have an application that allows you to know when the camera and I repeat, the camera and the microphone are working. As simple as that, you know about this feature. It has been introduced from Apple into iOS 14 and there are clones for Android, but this one works, no root included, just download an application. And today guys, you can download this application even for free. But let me guys just first demonstrate this to you and then I'm gonna let you know how you can download and install this again today only for free. So I better hope that you watch this video today. So I'm taking the phone in my hand, I'm opening the camera and boom, immediately I have this red dot indicating that my camera works. Some might say, hey, what about the microphone? Well, let's test this. I'm gonna go to video mode and I'm gonna hit here recording. Boom! You see another yellow dot. We have right now an indication that the camera works and also the microphone works. So let me just stop the microphone, stopping the video recording, only camera. Going outside, boom, camera is gone. I wanna show you guys something very interesting I just noticed. I'm opening the voice recorder, alright? I'm starting to record. Boom, you have here the yellow indicator, okay? I do stop recording, okay? I just going to go into the task manager and kill it. See? See what I see, guys? I mean, that's really shocking, right? The microphone is still being in use. Now I'm gonna demonstrate you something very important, guys. I'm gonna go back and open the voice recorder. Now I'm gonna go into the task manager. I'm gonna hold my finger here on the voice recorder. I'm gonna go into application info and now I'm gonna press the force stop. So you better bet your dollars right now this is gonna stay or no, alright? Let me know into the comments down below, okay? Pause the video and put in the comments down below. The yellow dot will go away. Is it back or no? Force stop. A great success! Alright, it's gone. Alright, I know your fingers are itchy right now. You wanna get the application. It's called Access Dot. Just go into Google Play Store and again you can just see that it costs something like 60-70 cents right now today for free. I better hope you're watching this video as I release it. And by the way, 95-96% of the people watching this channel are not subscribed. Please help me fix that one. If you like the content that I'm doing, a sub will be much appreciated. Really, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now back to the video. It's called Access Dot, Android 12, iOS 14 privacy indicator, today for free. Open the application, guys. You need to do a very simple process allowing the accessibility service for this application. It's very easy and I know you can do it. Once you're inside, you have some options. You have the dashboard, you have the styles and you have the exemptions and you have here, guys, also the history. All right. This should be stock in every phone. I mean, I'm not kidding, guys. This should be really a stock functionality. Let's go back now to dashboard. Once you've granted all the proper access, guys, you're gonna see Access Dot is running, so no action required. You can manage the alerts, right? When I click here, guys, you have some styles. Now, right now, I'm using the classic dots. You can use small dots, you can use medium, you can use large, you can even change the colors. You can go left, top, you can go right, you can go bottom, plenty of options. But see here, you can also go and choose a color bar. So right now I set to color bar, I'm gonna open the camera, boom, immediately notified with this color bar, hey, the camera has been used, starting to record, boom. We have also the microphone indication, all right? I think it's quite useful. Going back, you can also go and choose this one, the pill power. If you're a fan of pills, you can then open the camera, immediately hit recording, boom, all right? When we go back into the Access Dots, we have also here the exemptions. So if there are any applications that you trust 100%, you can select them from here and they'll be exempted. So you're not gonna get this status, all right? I trust nobody, all right? And then history. Camera was used for 2 seconds. The microphone was used by 2 seconds. You see, this is really very important, useful information. I like the design of this application. Now let's go back and see who created this application. PMA Labs, I don't know those guys. This video is actually not sponsored. I just want to thank to Jack who actually gave me the link to this application. I have to check those guys. They apparently created also some other applications. Anyway, this one is really working quite nice. I do recommend it, guys. Go there, install it. You're not gonna regret. Today free. Again, if you like the content I'm doing, you know what to do. With that said, VST over and bye.